I'm reviewing a book chapter by chapter, and the book is The Entropy Effect by Vonda McIntyre. And today I will be talking about chapter 6. Chapter 6 drops us into when Spock goes back in time to try to prevent the murder of Captain Kirk and Mandala Flynn, Sulu's lover, but he fails. He fails almost immediately because the person that is trying to murder Captain Kirk and Mandala stops him and shoots him and almost kills him. So he goes back to his original timeline and tells McCoy, like, I gotta go back. So, like, that puts a lot of pressure on McCoy to be acting captain and to cover for Spock, and to just constantly tell people that he's taking a nap is kind of wearing thin. But then Sulu shows up, and so does Hunter, Captain Kirk's ex-girlfriend. So they have a lot of processing of grief. Like, this book is really good at having the reader sit with an emotion like grief. It's not an easily resolvable thing. It's something that just kind of hangs there and needs time to steep and process. And Sulu's grief is very palpable. I admire the author for not just like, okay, moving on, more science fiction stuff. Like, this is like, science fiction's impact is proportionate to how much a human emotion is connected to it. So I think Vonda McIntyre is amazing at that. I really enjoy this book, even though there's some really heavy emotions in it. I actually enjoyed it because it has those emotions in it. So I'm looking forward to continuing to read this book and highly recommend it to anybody else.